flaxseed. Yeah, this one costs $0.99 in case you want to buy at the supermarket. Nice, a big guy. Ecco, e qui giusto. C'est la new sporty, c'est la you take tea. Try vanilla. How many? Oh, try this. I don't know. C'est pas si d'or pour nous. You guys, this is so shocking. Get to find this at Ipe Tosano, Ghana fresh. Oh my goodness. That's it to say again. I don't know which one is this one. I don't know which one is this one, but I am shocked to find this one. Yeah. See, Anna, 99 cents. We'll shock you. Go video. This is Rachel, babe. Which one cheap pass? 99 cents. Anything there is done. This marker. No, this one is cheap pass 89 cents. Let's take this one. This leader, not for the same maybe. Hey guys, so I'm back home. Let me quickly show you everything I got from Ipe Tosano. If you're new here, hello, thank you for clicking to watch this video. Yeah, my name is Rachel. I do lifestyle vlog, alright, almost everything and anything lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe, give your video a huge thumbs up and help me to share. As I show you everything I got from the supermarket, let's do a quick grocery haul. So I got this. Okay, this was on sale. All right, this is huge, very, very good, very nice. I got this one. Let me just turn it right. I got this one. How about this? Okay, this is called tortellini con ricotta and spinach. Oh my goodness. This is not capellash. You got the wrong one. Hopefully, Emmanuel get to like it also. You bought the wrong one. This is not capellash. This is ricotta and spinach, but it's also nice. Hopefully they like it. It's also nice. Got onion, got some eggs. Got this one. This is a big shaving stick. And this is air freshener for the wardrobe. I think we got about 3 of this one. I will get to see the other ones. What else for you guys? Hope you guys are fine. Got air freshener. Air freshener. Oh, got this detergent to wash plate. Okay, usually get this one. It's more economical. Okay, so make sure to buy something like this. Make sure to always keep your what is it called, container, so you can pour it inside. So this one is very, very economical. So got one of this, which is going to last us for some time. Got 2 bell peppers, using it for jollof rice tomorrow. Jollof rice, yo, meal prep in an African home. And I got some good tomatoes, which I'll also be using for the jollof rice, guys. And got tomato paste. This is tomato paste. I usually get this in the supermarket. Okay, they also sell it in the African store, but it is cheaper when you get the Italian one from the Italian supermarkets. And I got this roll on. Okay, Obi got this roll on for himself. I see have another bag here. See have another bag here, guys. Let me show you what we have in this other bag. Yeah, oh, it's so tight that I just to destroy the bag. Anyway, the bag is already gone. So you guys, I got 2 of these classic star ragu. 2 of this. Okay, usually use it to make some quick pasta for Emmanuel. Oh, you all right, guys? Got this family bread. Okay, this is American sandwich bread. What else? Been craving for some sardine. I got 2 of this sardine from the Italian supermarket. You can also get from Nigerian supermarket, but it is cheaper at the Italian supermarket, all right, because it's more expensive at the Nigerian African store, because they usually bring it all the way from Nigeria. Got this Kellogg's, okay, Kellogg's crave, whatever. We remove the carton, okay, remove it and treat it away so that I'll be able to carry it very well. So that'll be easy for us to carry anyway, because we went with bicycle. Got this one, air freshener, because me I'll be went with bicycle. Got this other one. This is the 3rd one. I told you guys we got 3 of that. Got 2 of this pesto, okay, green pesto, which is very, very delicious to cook. And I got this, all right, pancetta. And I got this semi-lino flaxseed. Yeah, this one costs $0.99 in case you want to buy at the supermarket. Yeah, so it's everything we got, and actually all these things cost about 58 €90. So this is what you can get for 58 €90 at Ipe Tosano. And yeah, also at Ipe Tosano, I was so shocked to find where they stand there, and they sell banga palm kernel, guys. I was so shocked. I'm like, how come are that? So they also sell, if you want to cook banga soup, in case you live anywhere in Italy, make sure to go to Ipe Tosano. You find African food there. I found out that today they also sell Ghana fresh palm kernel, banga. If you want to make banga, that's what we call it, banga. Right. So I was so surprised to find it at that supermarket, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, give the video a huge thumbs up. I'll see you in my next clip. Yeah.